Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a coconut marble cake with a coconut icing. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 1.5 cups of flour, add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 170 grams of butter, add in 1 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time, making sure before adding in the next egg that the previous egg is well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Add in the dry ingredients in 3 batches. Add in 6 tablespoons of milk. Add in 6 tablespoons of coconut cream and mix until smooth. Fold in the last batch of flour and mix until smooth and well combined. Separate this batter into 3 bowls. One will remain vanilla. Dye one red by adding a few drops of red food coloring. One will be chocolate by adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Spoon all of the vanilla into the bottom of the baking tin. Add the batter that is dyed red on top of the vanilla. Then add in the chocolate on top of the red. With a spoon, swirl and smooth out the cake batter. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. In a bowl with 4 ounces of cream cheese, add in 1.5 cups of icing sugar, and mix until smooth. Add in 1 tablespoon of coconut cream, and mix to combine. Place the serving plate over the cooled cake, invert it and remove the tin and baking paper. Spoon on the icing and spread out. Sprinkle some coconut on top. Cut into the cake and reveal the stunning marble effect. Enjoy!